Hello everyone, my name is Fabian Andrade, and today, along with my group members Isara and Jacqueline, we'll be going over Chapter 9 Presentation Aids. What this chapter mainly focuses on is presentation aids and how to correctly and efficiently use them throughout your speech. First off, memory. Another great reason for presentation aids is memory. Most people are visual learners. What this means is that they will retain more information from you showing them something rather than you telling them something. Next up, we have diagrams and maps. Diagrams are drawings of different parts of something, like, for example, a diagram of a human eye or a diagram of a machine. Maps are perfect for when your speech is talking about a specific location, geography, or route. Objects and models. Sometimes the best aid is a physical object or a 3D model that we could take with us. You can even use a person to demonstrate something. These will bring your ideas to life as it will allow the audience to actually see it firsthand in person rather than trying to imagine it in their heads. And finally, low tech tools. If you don't have a screen or a projector, don't worry. There are still plenty of presentation aid options that you can use. For example, there is posters, there is whiteboards, and there is printed handouts. Now be careful. Using the printed handouts, you must know how and when to present it to your audience. If not, they will not be used efficiently and correctly. That'll be the end for my part of the presentation. Thank you for listening.
Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Isaura Torres and I'm also part of the Orange Group. Today, I'll also be discussing about presentation aids. First, let's talk about what presentation aids actually are. Presentation aids are any tools like charts, graphs, videos, drawings, and photos that help explain a speaker's message. These tools are meant to support the speaker, not replace them. Effective presentation aids help the audience understand information and can help them remember important key points. Besides helping the audience understand the message, these aids can also help build the speaker's credibility. Using neat, well-designed slides make the speaker seem more knowledgeable and well-prepared. When your presentation looks professional and organized, the audience tends to trust you more and views you as an expert on your topic. The most common use of presentation aids are photos and drawings. Photos and drawings are excellent tools because they help explain ideas that are too difficult to describe with words alone, and they can help capture your audience attention. Although it is important to choose high quality images that relate directly to your topic and avoid adding any other distracting images. Along with choosing good photos, it is also important to keep your slides simple. When making your slides, the chapter reminds us to keep it simple. Your slides should only include the most important information instead of large paragraphs with cluttered notes. Use the same font, colors, and a consistent design throughout your whole presentation to make your slides look more cohesive all together. Finally, here's a presentation tip. When you're actually presenting, make sure to face the audience and not the screen behind you. Make clear eye contact with everyone in the room. And use your slides slowly for information and not read word for word. Remember, these presentation aids are meant to support your speech, not become the main focus. In conclusion, presentation aids are valuable tools that can help your presentation be more interesting and easier to understand. Thank you everyone for listening, and here is my next.
Hello everyone, my name is Jackie Romero Gomez, and today I will be teaching you the understanding, the charts and graphs, the text size, the audios and videos, and the conclusion of presentation aids. We will first start with the understanding. The understanding of presentation aids is a very big function. Usually you use visual to explain better like hard concepts or hard processes. Usually visuals can help you understand and emphasize your main points in a presentation. For this next part, charts and graphs. Charts and graphs. Charts are usually used in an organizational list or a step-by-step process. A graph like bar graphs or pie charts can help you a lot and show you trends over time, percentages, numbers, anything like that. It can help your audience understand your presentation better. Another concept, audios and videos. Audios and videos should be just a few seconds and not long videos or long audios. Why? Because that will entertain the audience in trying to understand your video and your speech, and it will take them a bit longer understanding more your message. And it will become a distraction, so it is better if you keep them short in just a few seconds and go direct with your own points. The text size. The text size, make sure it is large enough for the back audience to be able to read it. For background colors, you should use contrast colors that can just pop out clearly so the audience in the back and people in the front can easily read your presentation. In conclusion to this, presentation aids are valuable tools and make speeches clearer, organized, and easy to remember. We have discussed advantages of visual aids and different types of available presentation software, different forms of media, different visuals like bars, charts, anything like that that can make your audience understand your speech better and communication better and your message and main points of your presentation. How to present effectively is communication, present them effectively, vocal delivery, and your body language, so the presentations and information can be more memorable and understandable. Thank you for listening to my speech and to this group, and our name is Group Orange. Thank you.